Okay guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 75 Corvette Stingray out in the sun. I had to shoot the video inside the other day because it was raining. I just drove it to St. Louis and back. Car runs good. Something you really couldn't see inside either is the carbon fiber rocker covers. Like I said in the first video, it's a custom orange paint, so I'm not sure how well you can see it or not, but it's pretty cool. It's a cool color, a little twist on the stock. Anyways, like I said before, front suspension, rear suspension, all been rebuilt. Has a LS1 motor in it with a cam. Car sounds good, drives good. It's tuned pretty good. You know, all these LS swap things I get, I feel like some of them could be tuned better, whatever. This one, the guy actually said he had it tuned once, wasn't happy with it, had it tuned again. It runs pretty good. I mean, it's pretty impressive. Like I said, it runs and drives real good. And the color combo, the stance, you know, the car is lowered on top of being a Corvette in general that sits low. It's got the wheels and tires. I think it's just kind of a cool car all the way around. The birdcage and the frame are good. So the door panels are in nice shape. The seats are in nice shape. Like I told you, there's a couple cracks in the dash, which he bought one of those Corvette carpet covers for that, and I actually took it out. You can have it with the car. I prefer it without. Obviously it's a T-top car. A couple of the gauges, the speedometer does work. It's GPS driven. The tach is not working, and the gas gauge is not accurate. We'll just say it doesn't work. And I do have the little lock button for that. He actually forgot to give it to me. He's mailing it to me. I'll go ahead and show the motor again. There you go. All right. And like I said, the brakes were gone through when he did it. It did have newer exhaust on it, but it's kind of low in some spots, so it's been scuffed a little bit. The exhaust has, but it was newer also. Anyways, you can see just and the headlights do work, by the way. No, just I'll go ahead and start it again. Most everybody heard it in the first video, but car has been driven, so it does have a rock chip here and there. It is not flawless paint, but it is nice. And I actually just paid $60 to have some touch-up mixed up to touch up a couple chips on it. So like I said, I paid for the better paint, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little touch-up on it before I put it away. But 1975 Corvette Stingray, there you go. LS1 4L60 trans. Front suspension and rear suspension has been all rebuilt. And he put grade 8 bolts and everything and all that good stuff. So like I said, the orange is pretty awesome. Like I said, I just liked everything about this car. I see very few C3s that do much for me, and this one being lowered and the wheels and the stance and the whole package. So there you go.